Loved it already. It's worth, don't we? This is pretty creepy. I'm pretty scared. Cool. It's all down all up. Yeah, see, I'm getting used to it again, guys. Getting used to the ragging. What up, everybody? It's your guy here, Motorburt, and we're out on another little ride in the middle of the nowhere. Yeah. Yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere. I was just noticing them leaves all falling off that tree. It looks very beautiful. Hopefully everyone's doing fantastic. We're on an adventure today. We're going to go off-roading in these woods, yeah. So hopefully everyone's doing amazing. I need a wee. I can wait. We've got to get in here when no one's coming. And yeah, we're in Neverfield, people. I'll show you on the old map tour we have. Right now, quickly, we're here, trundling around in here somewhere, I don't know. But we're in here, here's a car, we've got to wait. I don't want to incriminate myself in it. Yeah, so, we love it, people, we love it. What we don't love though is my glasses. So yeah, we are. Ooh, sliding about everywhere. But we're in the woods, guys. Oh, look at that big lake. Yeah, so hopefully everyone's doing fantastic. We're on a little adventure today. We love it. Don't know where this takes me though. There's two people there already. For God's sakes. Straight away, people. It's very muddy. We'll wait for them to go past. The hikers. Should we see if we get moaned at? We probably will. Yeah, let's go down. Go down this way. Don't know where it takes us. Sorry. Yeah. See, I'm very courteous of people. Coming up this hill is going to be fun. Yeah. Sorry if you want me all to be ragging it. I'm not ragging it. It's not all about ragging. Yeah. Ragging down here. Oh, yeah, they're probably thinking, oh, mate, I wish I could ride up by you. Whee! There's a big tree in front of me. I see you. How are we going to get around it now? Our first obstacle. How are we going to get over there? There's always one tree in there, always. Stop our journey. We could go up there and around there, I guess. Do that. And this is where I get stuck in the woods, people. That's dying getting up that. That's too much, bro. There is a path back that way. We're going to have a look at that path. I just don't want to stall it today. Yeah, I don't want to stall it. Well, we could get... No, it's too clogged up, man. It's too clogged up. Sorry, people upstairs. But like I said, we loved it already. It's worth, don't we? This is pretty creepy. I'm pretty scared. Oh, yes, boy. A bit of a dead end down there. There's another path here, though. Look, this takes us somewhere. This is an old path someone's been down. Whoa, straight away, Schlossie. Yeah, come on, son. An old cheap path. We're taking it. Woo! My front wheel still fits sketchy though. So it's not that bad. I just don't want to stall my bike in here because I keep on having trouble starting it. I think it's because I've got a weak leg. Through the trees with it. I'm a little country girl. That's big, isn't it? I've got tiny wheels, man. I used to do this on the DRZ, it'd be alright. Big boy tyres. I'm gonna get lost in here. Whoa, see, yeah, I smacked Farring's up me from the east end, mate. It's not about the bad, it's about the enduro. Like I told you this, guys, I'm an enduro rider. Yeah. We'll stick to the path. Hey! There we go. I can't stop for more than 5 seconds, otherwise my glasses just stings out. And that's not what you want. Chicken wire. Chicken wire. Oh, it just keeps on going and going, guys. We're in the woods. Where did it take us? I don't know, but we will go in the woods. Go on up, I was gonna go up it, but the tip on the other side of that, brother. We'll go up this way. Look at it. Oh. Woo! I've got brakes, but I'm trying to use my feet. What's that? It's a red thing. How the frick are we gonna get back? That's a field. Let's do some Diddy Donuts, because why are you doing that then, Bear? Woo! Diddy Donuts. Damn, that was bad. Trying to not blow my bike. What's down here then? Let's have a look. There's a pipe here. Barbed wire there, watch out. There's some more tracks. Where a car's been. Don't stall the bike. See, that's what you got to watch out for. There's this big pipe thing sticking out the ground there. My hand's hurting, by the way, people. I keep on flicking it up to go into neutral. It's all down all up. Ow. We don't need to use anything at the moment. We're over lucky. Serve petrol. Where are we? Down. Let's do this. Let's get lost deep in the woods, guys, together. Whoa, no. Whoa. Yeah, so wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck, Tia. There's nowhere. I can go that way. Go that way. Hey! 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 Let's go this way then. Look, they've been cutting it down too much here. There's no way here. Turn back around. We've got to work out how we get back out. There's another question. Here's the other. Get out. I just smacked that thing there. Right. I keep on thinking that my engine's making weird noises. I don't think... Dragged it up there. I don't think it is though. Did I come this way, guys? Yeah. Stupid. Stupid Motorburt. Yeah. We did. We were up that one, we? Oh no. Or did we come further along? Yeah, we went past that. Yeah. Sorry I ain't talking, I'm trying to concentrate on where the hell I'm going. Haha! Look at these conkers. They're a bit late though, aren't they? See, now I need to remember where I come over. It's definitely here, isn't it? Somewhere. We got to get back like that somehow. We ain't gonna get up that, are we? We'll spectacular. Give it some food. Oh, look at that, easy, brother. Yeah, see, I'm getting used to it again, guys. Getting used to the ragging. Woo! No, I'm not. I'm almost dying. We love it. Fast. Did I come down here? We're going up. Oh. Just pinned it through there. Oh yeah, that was fun. Look at down there. Let's just carry on going further because I know there's another entrance along here. Oh, I kicked my bike a bit. Oh yeah, the only problem is though, it hurts my hand, innit? My thumb hurts. Hey, look at the monkey. Yeah, that's the only problem, guys. Oh, that's not out, you know. There's lots of nice little places around here though, you can go off-road. Today's video might be a bit longer than usual, you know. Not a little 10 minutes, is it? We're having an adventure, guys. Yeah, hit the old bell and spam the old comments and say an adventure if you like the adventure. Please be here. Wow, it's good. Let's just go straight up here. I stalled my bike again. For sakes. That's what you get for trying to be too optimistic with your little bike. I thought I'd get up that massive hill on this little thing at 100 mile an hour. Please start. Oh, thank God that just started so easy. Right, let me move forward. My glasses on steam. Oh, my hand hurts. I thought it'd be cool and ram it up there, but no. We'll carry on going. The bit that I said about. Let my hand cool down a bit. Cool down. It hurts. What's that? Oh, it's a Here we are, this is it. This crossing here, bro. It takes you on for ages, isn't it? But it's probably all overgrown now, like by the looks of it, it is. Oh well, we're going in. go over and have a look, at least. Because here you spot a lot of deers through here. Oh, apparently we're just going through bushes. Fuck it, let's do it. Yeah, it goes all the way down there. But it doesn't look like we're going to get down there, man. Lots of deer tracks around here, isn't it? And I'm going to get lost. I'm in the wilderness right now, you know. Like full in. Making my way in the woods. It is fun. Oh shit. We're in the open. I'm not doing anything. Get out of the woods. Don't look incriminating. Haha! Yeah, we love it, people. I don't even know how much petrol I've got either. Ooh. Yeah. Body tower. I don't know where to go in now, man. What's that? Someone's missing an arm, man. We're near the old Egyptian mines. That's what we're near now. All on that other side. I think we're going to turn around. Yeah. I think we'll turn around and we'll call it quits a bit. Because this is taking us nowhere that way. Yeah, so I don't know how long we were in the woods for there, but pretty long. I think we're ending now, isn't it? Although it looks sick there, well no we won't, we're going that way. We love it. We didn't look at that one. Oh, it does look overgrown, it didn't look from there. Right, I think we're ending now then, yeah. Right, you know the old drill, hit the old bell. So you get notified when I upload. Yeah, I appreciate all the comments and the support. Yeah, so you know the old drill. Peace out and ride safe.